Jersey has issued a tornado warning for central Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Beverly, or 12 miles southwest of Trenton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Bristol, Croydon, and Burlington. This is a zero particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Bordentown, Pennington, Beverly, Yardley, Towertown, Langmore, Washington Crossing, Windsor, Florence Woodling, Woodside, Edinburgh, Whitehorse, and Andalusia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 353 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 76. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a